Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Blaze Ronghang Presents. Today I'm going to bring a topic for you. Yes, it's also called C. My channel name is C, Social Events and Agriculture. Today I'm going to show how to do grafting on orange plants. Come on, let's go together. You can see how many bottles are lying here. This also can be used for grafting. Okay, here you see all the oranges saplings. First of all, I'm going to show how I did a grafting on a small orange plant. Here, this many months, not many months, but 2-3 months almost have passed. So I'm now going to check it whether it is successful or not. You can see the picture here. Come closer and show how it successfully developed into a growing manner. Let me unwrap it. Okay, and these are the tools that used to do grafting. Today I'm going to show you with the use of a small knife which I used in grafting. Now I'm going to unwrap the polythene. You bring the camera closer. Okay, let me see. Okay, it should be tight, very here. It can be seen now how it completely joined with the. Now guys, we will begin now how to do grafting. To do grafting, in order to bear fruit a little faster than from planting seeds, we need to bring a scion from the mother plant. Take for an example, this is not a mother plant, but from this example I'm giving that this is a mother plant, it bears fruit for some years. So I'm going to cut this branch. Okay, you have to select the branch, but preferably it would be good to use 3-4 years old branches. You have to, this is the branches. Okay, now we will select the root stock, which would be good. Okay, come. I think this will be the best. Suppose this we will do. Bring closer. So this is the root stock from the seed, and this is the scion that I brought from the mother plant. Now the grafting methods that I'm going to show is, the grafting name is called tongue grafting. There are many types of grafting, but I'm tongue grafting. Okay, tongue grafting. First of all, you have to pierce or cut straight. You have to divide the root stock equally. Then a little, you have to do one more like this. And this we have to use a plastic tape. Okay, it is not a plastic tape but polythene that I made into mini pieces. Plastic should be long enough because to tie it very tight. The part with two small branches are joined. It should be wrapped very tightly for the success grafting. Then we have to, because it is a summer days, we have to use a plastic bottle. You need to retain some lips, okay, because without lips it would be very stressful, will be the scion plants to grab it naturally. So I think it will be successful. Okay, the grafting is finished now. Yeah, wow. Bring closer here. Let's see this. If you like my channel, please give comment, share, give like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.